Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. My name is Grace, and on this tutorial I'm going to be taking you step-by-step process on how to perfectly script your movie. If you know you are a professional movie creator, I'm not talking about all those Facebook creators that used to create movies that's going to be flying from not those kind of content. I mean professional AI movie. And if you don't know how it is being done, you will have to sit back and let me take you through on the step-by-step process on how to perfectly script your movie. So to script your movie, we'll be using either ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Let me open Gemini. I think I should use Gemini. I've been saying a lot of ChatGPT on my channel. So I want to use Gemini app. So you don't think that everything is on ChatGPT. So to perfectly script your movie, you either use Claude, ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So let's start. Let's say you want to create a movie, but you don't have an idea of the kind of movie that you want to create. You don't know if you should create a romance movie, or you don't just have any clue. You can just come and copy this prompt and then you come and paste it. Give me 3 original film concepts, blah blah blah. And then as soon as that opens up, it will give you different The Last Appraiser, Rust and whatever Rhapsody, right? Then you cannot choose the one that you want. Or let's say for instance, you have your own idea. You can just say, write me the story of, let's say, 4 friends who graduated and didn't get a job, and they get a job only for them to go for a seminar or conference, dressed well, apart from one who looked dirty and basic. Let me just say this is my storyline. The dirty one was the one to get the opportunity from the organizers, and it will write you the story. So this is the story, but we can't use it like this. When this is Marcus, blah blah blah. So we can't use the script like this. So the next thing you want to do is rewrite this concept into a strong Nollywood style logline, and then you send that in. So this is our logline, the fabrics of brain. They even gave us a title. So they said, after months of exhausting job hunting, 4 desperate, freshly graduate friends pull their last saving to dress blah blah blah. But when a billionaire drops a chaotic multi-millionaire challenge on stage, it is the one friend who showed up looking completely broke and unkempt, who shocks everyone and snatches the ultimate life-changing opportunity. So this is our log line, right? So the next thing we want to do, we want to create our story using, I said it in my last tutorial. If you've not seen it, go and watch it, because now I want to create this using the 3-act story outline, and you should keep it in 8 bits. I explain what 3-act story. I'm not going to explain it here again. Go and check my other tutorial. You can no put me for talk. So, so after it has created it for you, this is our 8 bits now. What are we doing? If you like, forget what we are doing. We are trying to script our movie. Perfect way for scripting our movie, to know the shots and all those things, right? So it has created our 8 bits. Oh God, I beg you. My mouth there. So the next thing I want to do is to write the script. Hmm? The first one we did was to outline it. Now we are writing the script using the 3-out outline script page format, and now it's to write the script. Script, it's different. So this is our script. Ifeoma, Segun, Emeka, blah blah blah. Segun, in God's name. So this is the script now, when they will tell you action, and then you will know what to say. So our interior is oriental, blah blah blah, to show the interior, the exterior, everything, everything. Look at that. Then the end. So now I want to create our short list. Create the short list based on this story. Chakalam. That's where you will see the extra. See? Go and watch my former tutorial to see how I explain this. We have the extreme shot. A hot charcoal iron pressing down hard on a wrinkled, cheap white shirt. That is the example. Somebody ironing, right? Not to forget that the scene where this thing is happening is boy's apartment, Yaba. The contrast between the desperate packaging of the friends and today's Rose exhaustion. So this is happening in a boy's apartment. So we have the close-up shots of Ifeoma's face in a cracked phone screen as she applies heavy concealer under her eyes. Then the medium shots will now move now to Segun admiring himself in a broken mirror, adjusting a sharp whatever knot with confidence. So these are the different shot angle. Then before we now move to scene 2. So you see the way it broke it down. So before you come and ask, how will I know the shots that I am going to use? Lequire. See it. There's nothing you're using your brain to do. Just know how to put the right prompt at the right time. AI is here to help you. Don't worry, don't stress. Just chill. Everywhere is dark. There's no lights. I just really people are going to. Yeah? Just chill. Let AI do the job for you. So your own is just for you to know how to arrange these things in the right way, which is what I am explaining to you guys now. So if you've done everything correctly, our script is now ready. You've successfully created your script and your shot and everything. So the next thing now, we want to create our characters. So we'll go ahead and paste this prompt. I have the prompt in my book, so you guys please just check it out. It's very affordable. Oh. It's very, very affordable. So as we're creating our what was all this Nigerian ant? So we are creating our characters now. So this is our character. It gave us the age, the nationality, Nigeria, the body build and appearance, whatever, and even the voice. I'm not going to give you guys my prompt. So you're supposed to create all this character on a white background. So this is our character. We have 5 characters here. Informer, Shegun. So this is our character. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to rewrite this whole character, because once you go and create our character, so we'll ask you to rewrite it using this prompt. It will now rewrite everything. Shey you see that this one now is not detailed like the first one. This one had everything. You're going to need this first one because you will need the voicing, the personality when you're generating your video. But to create the character, this is it. This is the one you're going to use, right? So after everything, you will now copy. Let's go and generate our characters now. Should I do this in another video? I don't want my video to be long. I think I should do it in another video. Yeah, you can create your characters and create your scene video. Let's do it in another video. I don't want this video to be long. So this particular video is for script creation and character creation. So if you don't know how to generate your scripting, I hope you find this video very, very helpful. Pick the sense from the nonsense, and as usual, you guys please comment, share, like, share it to the people that will need it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial, whereby I will be creating our characters, and I will show you guys how to create scene. See, you guys don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. You don't want to miss it. Okay? You don't want to miss it. So, see you in another tutorial. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.